So friends, in today's video I am going to tell you about all the buttons and functions of the remote of Onida Air Conditioner in great detail and in simple words. So let's start the video. You can see the power button in the remote. With this you can turn the AC on and off. After that the next button is mode. There are 5 functions given in the mode button. On pressing the mode button, you will see the mode in the remote. Now the mode is in cool. Now the mode is in dry. Now the mode is in fan. Now the mode is in heat. Now the mode is in auto. Now I will tell you the information about the mode in detail in very simple words. In cool mode all the buttons of the AC remote will work, and in this mode the AC will cool, and in cool mode the AC will cool according to your requirement. After that the next mode is dry. You can use dry in the rainy season. There is a lot of humidity in the rainy season and there is sticky heat, so using the AC in dry will remove that humidity it happens. The next mode is fan mode. The AC will not do cooling in fan. Only the fan of indoor unit will run. Suppose there is no fan in your room and you do not want cooling of AC and you only want to use the fan of AC, then you can use fan mode. The next mode is heat. Note that if your AC supports heat mode then only you can use heat mode. If your AC does not support heat mode, then you cannot use heat mode. If your AC supports heat mode, then you can heat your room in cold weather by using heat mode. After that, if you press the mode button again, then auto mode will come. In auto mode, your AC will work automatically and the AC will work according to itself. The next button is temperature up down button. Now the more you press the temperature down button, the temperature will go down. The more you down it, the more the temperature will go down. It will do cooling. Its lowest temperature is 16 degrees. Now the more you press the temperature up button, the more the temperature will increase and the AC will start cooling less. Its highest temperature is 30 degrees. If you want only cooling and also want to reduce the electricity bill, then you should use it in 26. This is also a very good temperature for our body. And if you feel more cooling in 26 degrees, then you can set the temperature of your AC to 27 degrees. And if you feel hot in 26 degrees, then you can set the temperature of your AC to 25 or 24. After that the next button is fan. This is for the speed of the fan that is blowing air from the indoor unit. It works in 4 speeds. Right now the speed of the fan is in auto. Right now the speed of the fan is in low. Right now the speed of the fan is in medium. Right now the speed of the fan is in high. You can control the speed of the fan according to your convenience. If you want to cool the room quickly, then set the fan speed to high. After that the next button is sleep. By pressing the sleep button the AC becomes silent and the use of sleep button is very good. For example, suppose you have kept the temperature of your AC at any level, then every 2 hours the temperature will automatically increase by 1 degree and you will not have trouble sleeping due to excessive cold. After that the next button is powerful. Generally, whenever we turn on the AC, the compressor turns on in 3 minutes, but by pressing the powerful button the compressor starts in 1 minute and the speed of the fan of the indoor unit also increases significantly. If you are coming to your room from outside and your room is very hot and you are feeling very hot in the room and you want quick cooling, then you can use the powerful button for this. The next button is auto clean. The auto clean function uses the cooling mechanism of the AC to clean the inside of the unit. This freezes the heat exchanger, which traps dirt, dust and microorganisms in a layer of ice. The heat exchanger then heats up, melts the ice and carries away the dirt, and then the water drains automatically through the drain assembly. This will start immediately after the air conditioner is turned off. The entire process takes about 21 minutes, including 15 minutes for defrosting and cleaning and 6 minutes for drying. The next button is swing. This button is for the front swing of the AC. It works in up-down mode. Using this swing will spread the cooling of the AC in the room quickly, and wherever you want to stop the swing flap, by pressing this button the swing flap of the AC will stop there. The next button is temperature. By pressing the temperature button the room temperature will be displayed in the AC. The next button is sensor. Sensor is a very good feature which is made for your comfort. Generally the sensor is in the indoor unit itself, which senses the temperature around the indoor unit, not the temperature of the place where you are sitting. With this sensor, the AC can also detect when the room is empty and switch the air conditioner to economy mode or energy saving mode. If the sensor function is given in some models of general AC, then that model has 2 sensors. One sensor is installed in the indoor unit, and the other sensor is installed in the remote. The next button is light. Pressing the light button will turn off the display of the indoor unit, but your AC will continue to run. The light button can be used only to turn off the display light of the AC. The next button is timer. Note that after how many hours you want to turn off your AC, then set that hour. In the timer you can set the time from half an hour to 24 hours. Suppose I want to turn off the AC in 7 hours, then I will set the time of 7 hours. And then by pressing the timer button the timer will be set. If you want to cancel the timer, then you can cancel the timer by pressing the power button. If you have understood the information given by me, then like my video and subscribe to my channel.